Once your account is up and running, making online payments to settle your Neverfail invoices couldn't be easier. First log in using your existing Neverfail account details. Then navigate to Billing and Invoices using the left-hand menu of the My Account page. Here you'll see all your previous online transactions, paid invoices and unpaid invoices. To pay an unpaid invoice, select the invoice or invoices that you want to make a payment for and choose whether you'd like to make a full or partial payment. By default, the full amount is selected, but you can easily change by typing an amount that is less than full. Now click on Pay Invoices. Next, you'll need to select your secure payment method. PayPal is now available as an option, or you can choose to pay by credit card. You can store your favorite options under Stored Payment Methods. We comply with the highest level of security to ensure that your payment details are stored safely. Once you've entered your details or selected your stored payment method, click Pay Invoices and that's it. If successful, your invoices will be refreshed when you log in next. For more help with Neverfail account management, visit our Frequently Asked Questions page or speak to one of our friendly Neverfail customer care team.